The weight, the void, a time of calm, placed in a time capsule, incubated, embalmed, with the knowledge of love infused with the light, wrapped in a knowing, held, secured so very tight. No rush this time, enveloped in a cocoon. Patience for the emergence, it will be soon. Here I come, the shell has cracked, life inside, transformed, awakened, no longer to hide, beauty to emerge before your very eyes, a rose that has bloomed, a caterpillar that can fly, a duckling that is hatched, growing more every day, instinctually knowing the father and the mother lead the righteous way.